Hello friends, welcome back to Jainixi Watch Unboxing. Today I'm excited to bring you the first ever YouTube review of the Naviforce NF8057. This model is inspired by aviation instruments, combining elegance, precision, and vintage military style. It's crafted for today's adventures and there's so much to explore. So let's dive into what makes the NF8057 a standout. Starting with its appearance, the NF8057 has a bold, 12-sided square alloy case that gives it a robust, distinct look. It comes in 6 dual-color variants, so whether you're into classic tones or something a bit more adventurous, there's a style to suit everyone. The genuine leather strap with military-inspired stitching adds a timeless touch that's both comfortable and durable, making it perfect for everyday wear. Now let's get into the dial and bezel design because this is where the NF8057 truly shines. The bezel includes hour markings for an added rugged functional look. They give it a distinctive and industrial appeal. The dial itself is loaded with details. We have 3 chronograph subdials, each with its function. The 3 o'clock window shows a 24-hour format, the 6 o'clock dial displays running seconds, and the 9 o'clock subdial counts chronograph minutes. These elements give it a sporty, dynamic look and make it highly functional for daily use. For those who love to travel, this feature is a game changer. The NF8057 is equipped with dual time zone functionality, which allows you to effortlessly keep track of 2 different time zones. The dial at the 3 o'clock position is dedicated to 24-hour timekeeping, making it easy to stay on schedule no matter where you are in the world. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a business traveler balancing multiple time zones, this watch keeps you punctual and in style wherever your journey takes you. In addition to tracking 2 time zones, this watch also includes a date function display, making it incredibly functional. These features make the NF8057 an all-in-one tool for anyone on the go, helping you stay punctual, whether you're navigating business meetings or exploring a new city. And here's a unique feature. The second pointer acts as a stopwatch. To start the stopwatch mode, simply press the red pusher, and the second hand springs into action. Want to stop it? Just press the red pusher again, and when you're ready to reset, push the blue pusher, and everything returns to 0. This is a fantastic tool for anyone who loves tracking time on the go, adding a practical edge to the watch. Naviforce has added some cool design touches, like these red and blue chrome-plated pusher buttons, which add a bit of boldness to the overall look. And the second pointer has a dual-color design that stands out. The hour and minute hands are luminescent too, so you can easily check the time in low light, a handy feature for those late-night outings. Inside, the NF8057 runs on a reliable Japanese quartz analog movement. Paired with a long-lasting battery, this watch offers precision timekeeping without needing much upkeep, making it a solid choice for anyone who values accuracy. Now let's talk about quality and durability. The NF8057 is crafted for everyday use but has a luxury feel that's rare to find at this price point. The scratch-resistant mineral glass provides a smooth feel while protecting against daily wear. Naviforce has also used vacuum plating on the case, an eco-friendly technique that ensures the finish won't fade over time, so you get durability with a great look. The case has a diameter of 45 mm and a thickness of 14.5 mm, giving it a bold presence on the wrist. On my 17-centimeter wrist, it feels slightly large. Weighing around 98 grams, it has a solid feel yet remains comfortable to wear. With 3 ATM water resistance, it can handle hand washing or rain splashes, but it's best to avoid swimming or any water-intensive activities. So that's the Naviforce NF8057. A rugged yet stylish timepiece built for those who value precision, adventure, and a touch of vintage military flair. From the 12-sided square case and genuine leather strap to its dual time zone functionality and stopwatch mode, this watch is versatile, impressive, and ready for anything. If you're interested in adding this fantastic piece to your collection, feel free to reach out to me directly or check the link in the description for purchase details. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more amazing watch content. And as always, follow me if you love watches And let's keep exploring the world of horology together. See you in the next video.